Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana, making a video this morning on restore number 96. She's a 1972 9.5 horsepower Johnson. It's a light restore, fully mechanically restored, carburetor, tune-up kit, ignition magneto, lower unit seals, everything redone, and she runs great. Let's give her a little test run here on the bayou. As you can see, she runs great. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft John boat about 17 miles an hour. Idle's good. Let's give her a little ride. This baby is for sale. If you're interested, just contact me. See y'all next video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.